Yo, I'm Nadi Mae, and every week I drop a new video on what's got me moving. Woo! Today we're going to install a ingrain silverback basketball hoop. I've already dug the hole. I don't think that helped. That did not help at all. What we have here is probably a mosquito-infested hole.
Might be too cold for mosquitoes.
It's full of water, is what I'm trying to say. How's it looking? Oh, the drill pump didn't work. Thanks, Amazon. We're gonna use the vacuum cleaner. Hit it! Alright, come with me to the truck. Right here, we have 20 bags of concrete mix. And each bag weighs 80 pounds, which is 1,600 pounds altogether. We have a concrete form, and it's leveled. You can tell if it's leveled if the bubble is in the middle of the lines. As you can see, it's leveled. This concrete is very hard to mix. And make sure you have adult supervision. Alright, now that we have our concrete mix in the hole, we're gonna put the rebar in to give it some extra support. Put the rebar in. Well, I just got done tapping all the rebar into the concrete hole. So we have to fill it up more with concrete so the rebar is going to be covered. Okay, it done got dark on me, but it was hard to get all these 80-pound bags of concrete into the hole because they weigh more than me. I used my 2x4 and my scraper to make sure that the concrete is flat. Now we have to put our anchor plate in. We got our anchor plate and we're ready to set it in. I got my 4 washers on the bolts. I'm gonna make sure that they're leveled. Put the pole on the washers, and we're gonna we're gonna attach this part to that part. I'm going to demonstrate how to do this. Jam it down, and on the ground until it comes to the orange mark. Leave a comment below if that got any closer. I don't think it did. Let's keep trying. Alrighty, we got the pole in and it's perfectly leveled. Let's get a close up. Honestly, I can hardly see it. But yeah, it's perfectly leveled. I'm going to put these plastic caps on to protect the bolts. I'm going to take this wood form off the concrete. In there. It's in there. Okay, so we got the other part out. Now we just got to pull this out. Yeah, yeah. Hands, buddy. Go. Okay, we're gonna fill the rest of this area in with some dirt so it's not a tripping hazard. The next step is to get this big heavy backboard. My mod is to build a stand out of all of the scrap wood. We're gonna use the truck bed as our platform, and one adult's gonna hold it, our backboard steady while the other bolts it in. Let's get to work. We got the stand built. It's not pretty, but it's functional. I'm going to tell you how this is going to work. We're going to slide backboard through these slots, but I would recommend putting the stand in the tailgate before you slide the backboard through. And then, once the pieces are in together, we're going to back up the truck to the pole. And it's very strong. It's strong enough for me to do this. I'm so high off the ground. Pull-ups on it. So let's get to work. Okay, now all we have to do is screw in the bolts, and then we're gonna be almost ready. All we have to do is mount it on, slam the rim, the net on, and then we're gonna be playing some basketball. We're gonna put the net on the rim now that the rim's up. Okay, we got it up, and this is how you do it.